Bonjour, mademoiselle. Comment allez-vous?
Je vais bien et vous?
Oh, d'accord. Je vais aussi bien. Okay. Mademoiselle, today again we'll do the verb pattern because I believe the verb pattern will again play a vital role in order to speak French language. Yeah. So we have a lot of things like how we can use ale verb. We already wrapped up, but there's a lot of things which wherein we can use ale conjugation. So ale we use in a lot of cases. We have a pouvoir verb which we call as can. We have a vulvar verb. We have want. We have venir verb is to come. So today we'll clear a lot of verbs. We'll do a lot of verb pattern. Okay. So let me share the screen first. One second. Where is that option of screen share? Visible to you? Is it fine now? Is it visible to you, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir. Can you please
Oh,
change the colors?
all right, sure. One second. Is it fine now, mademoiselle?
Absolutely.
Chalo, let's start. See, we already wrapped up the ale conjugation because again we are moving towards ale conjugation because ale conjugation is very important in French language. Basically, ale is to go. Now you have to understand one point. If we are asking, if we are asking hi and hello, for example, if you're saying hi ma'am, how are you? How are you? That's a greeting, right? I'm asking your wellness. How are you, ma'am? In that case, you have to because in French they're very tricky basically. If you're asking like how are you, you are fine. If you will reply, I am fine, I am okay, okay, I am totally all right, I am totally all right. In that case, it means these type of in those type of greetings we have to use ale verb. We have to use ale verb. Now the question will be, maybe it will arise in your mind, we have être conjugation. We have être verb. We have être verb. Être means what? Ismr. We already wrapped up être verb. Être verb is Now the question arises, when my ismr, what is my ismr? Just we, yeah, we already wrapped up. Tu a, is that clear to you?
Yes.
Il, l, a, yeah. If you remember, nous sommes, oui, c'est bien, oui.
Yes.
Vous êtes, and ils, elles sont. So basically, these are my je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Is it clear to you? Now the question arises if I'm saying I am fine. If I'm saying I am fine. So as per literally translation, I can say je suis, I am is je suis, and fine is bien. Fine is bien. Bien is basically good, fine, right? If you will apply je suis bien, this is a totally wrong French. Je suis bien basically is never exist in French language. So for this reason, mademoiselle, if we are asking something like the greetings, how are you? You are fine. I'm fine. I am okay. In these type of conversation, we have to use aller verb. So
Okay.
rather saying just we bien, we have to use je vais bien.
Je vais
Why?
bien.
Because yes. Why? Because what would be my aller conjugation? You tell me. What would be my aller conjugation? My aller conjugation is what? Let me one second. Here we have ale conjugation. Ale is to basically ale is to go.
Go.
But you tell me the ale conjugation. Je vais,
Yeah.
je vais. Yeah. Okay. Now, tu vas. Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
Elle va. See, it will become by practice. The moment you will do practice, practice one day will come, wherein you will become an expert in French language. Because there's not a, see, this is very tricky, but yes, it will come by practice. So we have nous allons, yeah,
Yes.
vous allez, is it clear to you?
Okay.
Vous allez, and ils vont, elles vont. C'est clair.
Be clear.
Ils vont, elles vont. So now the question arises, ils vont, elles vont. Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
Now again the question arises. So you have to repeat after me. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont, and all is my, je vais, tu vas, il, elle va, nous allons, vous allez,
Zalu.
ils, elles vont.
Zalu.
Is that clear to you? Now for example, so you have to remember one thing, you have to fix one thing in your mind. If I'm asking the greetings, if I'm using the greetings like how are you, I am fine, are you okay, are you fine, we have to use alle conjugation. So if I'm saying I am fine, so remember one thing, we have to use alle verb. So alle is je vais bien. Is that clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
If I'm saying how are you, for example, if I'm saying how are you, now how we have como in French, como, speak up, como.
Como.
Why como? Because en sound is o in French. En sound is o in French, and t as a consonant that will be silent. So como, okay. Now you are is what? Who you are. If you're using formal conjugation, formal is who, formal is who, formal is who, and formal conjugation is ale.
Okay.
Here, look at here.
Yes.
We have who's ale,
Zale.
you go, but I'm asking how were you, how are you, that but in greetings basically wuzale is you go, but in greetings that is converted into you are. Is it clear to you? So in only in greetings we have to use ale conjugation. If I'm saying como wuzale, no, because that's a question.
Zale.
We have, that's a question,
Como
right? How are you? Como tale. Now because this is a question, whenever we are raising a question, for yes,
Zale.
como tale vous. So my subject would be inserted at the end, and my
Okay.
verb would be before the subject if I'm raising a question. Como tale vous. Why tale? Because T is a consonant and A is a vowel. If we have a T consonant, okay, and a vowel, in that case what we do? We have to combine the sound. We have to
Right.
combine the sound.
Yes,
If
yes.
we, if any of the, as we already wrapped up, as if any sentence ending from the consonant and the next word is starting from a vowel, T is ending from a consonant
Consonant. A
and
is
the
a
next
vowel.
word is starting from a vowel, so we have to combine the sound, that is ta. Como
Ta.
tale.
Como tale vu.
Como is basically hi, sorry, como is basically how are you, sorry, how. So basically como talevu, that is how are you. When say como talevu, como talevu, como is how, ale is who's ale. So como talevu. Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
If you will reply, what would the reply of this how are you? What do you say? I am fine.
Como tale vu.
I
I
am
am fine.
and
Je
you?
vais bien. Je vais
Very
bien.
good. Why jave bien? Because ale conjugation is jave in terms of I go. That is jave. Ale conjugation. Jave bien. Jave bien. Et vous.
Je vais bien et vous.
Jave bien. Et vous. Is that clear to you?
Et vous. Yes.
Is that clear to you? Jave bien.
Yes.
Et vous? Is that clear to you? I
Yes.
am fine. Je vais bien. Et vous? Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
How are you is comment allez-vous? I am fine is je vais bien. Et vous? Is that clear to you?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right? For example, if I'm saying if you are saying you are fine, simple. You are fine. You are raising a question. You are raising a question. You are fine.
Okay.
Now speak up. Vous allez bien. See, your tone will get changed in terms of question. Vous allez bien.
Okay. Vous allez bien?
Your tone will get changed, right? See, you
Yes.
are is
We're
what?
asking a question.
You are is vous êtes, but we cannot say vous êtes bien. That's a that's a wrong conversation, because in French language, whenever you are asking something, are you fine? How are you? We have to use alle conjugation, and if you're saying you are fine, so now you have to your mind should be stick with this alle verb. I'm saying you are fine. Go with because my normal greetings hug with alle verb. My normal greeting hug with alle verb. Okay, so vous allez bien. Speak up. Vous allez bien.
Vous allez bien?
Is that clear? If you're saying
Yes.
we are fine, now tell me if I'm saying we are fine. So normal greetings will hug the alle verb. We are fine is what? Nous allons.
Nous
Basically,
allons.
that should not be nous sommes. Active verb we cannot apply. We have to use alle verb. Nous allons bien. Why nous allons? Because we is nous, and here we have to use alle conjugation. Nous allons bien. Is that clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Nous allons bien. Nous allons
If you're
bien.
saying they are fine, they are fine. Tell me alle conjugation. Ils vont, elles vont. Il, elle, alle verb, vont, vont. So what you will say? Ils vont bien. Is that clear to you?
They are fine. Ils vont bien.
Why? Because we have to use alle conjugation. Ils,
Okay.
elles vont bien. Elles vont bien. Ils vont bien. Elles vont bien. If you have a masculine plurial, we have ils vont bien. If you have a feminine plurial, we have elles vont bien. C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Can you repeat?
Exact. Sure, I will repeat this. If you have they are fine. Okay. They is il and l.
Okay.
So my alle verb with the
Yes.
plural, which is vont, right? Which
Yes.
is
Yes.
vont.
We
If
are.
I'm saying yes, if I'm saying masculine plural, il
Okay.
masculine plural, l
Yes.
feminine plural, right? So il vaut bien, that is a masculine plural, elle vaut bien, which is feminine plural. Is that clear to you, mademoiselle?
Il is masculine. L is the female.
Exactly. Il and elle, il is he, elle is she. If we have a plural, we
Yes.
can insert s
We.
at
Yes.
the end. Is that clear to you?
Yes. Yes.
Is that clear to
How do
you?
you pronounce this?
Il, elle,
Yes,
because we
sir.
can. Why? Because the s is a consonant, so consonant we cannot pronounce at the end. Yeah.
No. How do you pronounce this entire sentence?
Ils vont bien. Ils
Il.
vont bien. Or either
Il.
elles vont bien.
Vont bien.
Why vont? Because on sound
L.
is on. Is that clear to you?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes.
Because we have to understand the concept of phonetics also. On sound is on, and t at the end we cannot pronounce. Bien.
That's silent.
Is that clear to you? Ils
Yes,
vont
sir.
bien, elles vont bien. C'est clair, mademoiselle.
Il. Yes. Be clear.
Sure? Sure? Yeah?
Be
So
clear.
basically, basically, this is the concept of this is the concept of alle verb. So now speak after me. Bonjour, 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 madame. Speak up.
Bonjour.
Bonjour,
Bonjour.
bonjour,
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 madame.
madame. Madame is madam. Madame is madam.
Madam.
Okay. Now, bonjour, 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 mademoiselle. Mademoiselle is miss. Mademoiselle is miss. So we have
Miss.
bonjour, 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 madame. Bonjour, bonjour,
Bonjour.
bonjour.
Bonjour. Bonjour, madame.
Very good. Bonjour, 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 mademoiselle. Okay.
Bonjour. Bonjour. Bonjour, mademoiselle.
Now, bonjour, bonjour. Speak up. Bonjour,
Bonjour.
bonjour,
Bonjour.
bonjour,
Bonjour,
monsieur.
monsieur.
Bonjour, monsieur is Mr. Monsieur is
Okay.
Mr.
Mister.
So now speak after me. Bonjour, 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 madame. Bonjour, 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 mademoiselle. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour,
Bonjour.
monsieur.
Bonjour, monsieur. Say you've missed out bonjour, mademoiselle.
Exactly. Speak up. Comment allez-vous? Speak up. Comment allez-vous? Speak up. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Speak two times. Comment allez-vous? Speak up. Comment allez-vous? Speak like this. Comment
Comment
allez-vous? Comment
allez-vous? Comment
allez-vous?
allez-vous?
Yes. Bolo. Speak up. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous
Comment
is?
allez-vous? Comment
Comment allez-vous
allez-vous?
is? How are you?
How are you?
Okay. Say Claire. So you will
Yes.
say,
C'est
Je
clair.
vais bien, je vais bien. Speak up. Je vais
Je vais
bien, je
bien,
vais bien.
je
Speak two
vais
times.
bien,
Je vais bien,
je vais
je vais
bien,
bien.
je vais bien.
Et vous, and you, et vous.
Et
A,
vous?
et is basically A is and. Je vais
Okay,
bien, je vais bien. Et vous,
okay.
and you. So I reply, je vais aussi bien. Je vais Aussie is also. Aussie is also. Pen down, please. Aussie is
One
also.
second,
I'm
sir.
saying
Hold on, please.
yes. Aussie is also.
One moment.
No problem. So I'm repeating one more time. Jave Aussie bien. Aussie is also. I am also fine. So if I'm saying Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? So you will reply Je vais bien. Je vais bien. Et vous? I'm saying Je vais aussi bien. I am also fine. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
No problem. Take your time, please. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Can you move ahead?
Can you please scroll down for a moment?
Sure, I will. Je vais aussi bien. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Je vais aussi
One.
bien. Mm-hmm.
So what is the OCBM?
Aussi is also basically, and bien is good. Aussi is also. Let me pen down. Aussi is also,
That means I
and
am also
bien
good.
bien is good. So you're saying bien is good and fine. So you'll say I am also good. I am also fine. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Mademoiselle, is that clear
Yes,
to you?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you came to know where and how we can use ale verb. You came to know ale basically if I'm saying
Sir,
I am
je vais bien, et vous?
a vous, I am good and you. So I will
Okay.
reply back je vais aussi bien. I am also good. Is that clear to you?
Okay.
All right. So for example, if I'm saying uh it for example you are saying I am going to the market. I am going to the market. So remember one thing. Remember one thing, mademoiselle. Remember one thing. Basically, present indefinite tense. In French, in French, if I'm saying
Yes.
present indefinite tense, if if I'm using present indefinite tense, indefinite tense, okay, and present continuous tense, is one and the same thing. If I'm saying I go to the market,
I'm going to the market.
I go to the market,
I am going to the market.
mm-hmm. And if I'm saying I am going to the market,
Okay.
in that case, in both of the cases, see, my first is present indefinite tense, I go to the market, and second sentence is I am going to the market. That's a present continuous tense, and this is a present indefinite tense. But in French language team, this is one and the same thing. We don't have present continuous tense in French language. Is that clear to you? So I go is what? Je vais. Je vais. I
Yes.
go is what? Je vais. And I'm going is
Yes.
also, I'm going is also je vais. I go
Okay.
is also je vais. I am going is also je vais, because present indefinite tense and present continuous tense is one and the same thing in French language. Is that clear to you, mademoiselle?
Okay, sir.
Is that clear to you? If I'm saying
Yes.
I am going to the market and I go to the market, so what I will say, je vais, what is chu? Chu is a, we have a accent. We already have wrapped up in the last chapter, if you remember these things. Remember, we
Supermarché.
already have covered.
Supermarché.
I understand supermarché, but what is chu the? Je vais a.
To the is
Chu
a.
is a.
Uh,
Now market is my masculine, which is
marché.
the supermarché. E ague we have. E ague. We have e ague over here. Now a le is never exists in French language, as I conveyed to you. A le. So a le will convert it into o.
Oh.
So what I will use? Je vais au
Jave
supermarché.
of supermarché.
Is it clear to you? So
Okay.
you have to
Oh,
go back in my previous chapter.
yes, I
Okay.
remember.
If you want to see, you can check on the YouTube also. We have a same recording session on YouTube also, where we
Yes.
have used a plus la is o, a la is ala, a plus le, plural we have aux. Remember,
Yes.
right? So
Yes,
if I'm
sir.
saying Jave, I'm going to the market, Jave o supermarché. If I'm saying I go to the market, Jave o supermarché. Is that clear to you?
Okay, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
ठीक है. Up now, one we have a very important verb, because you know what, you have to do practice. The moment you will do practice, you will come to know the entire things. Okay, it is very important thing. Remember one thing. For example, we have a one verb which is to can. Now speak up, pouvoir. Speak up, pouvoir.
Bar. Bar.
Pouvoir is to can, basically. Pouvoir is to can.
Can.
Speak up, pouvoir.
Bar.
Now we have to want. To want is vouloir.
Bar.
Speak up. Vouloir.
Bar.
To want is vouloir. Speak
To
up.
can. To
To
pouvoir
can.
is to can.
Yes.
Boulevard is to want.
Yes. To want is, one second. We have to want is vouloir. Is it clear to you?
Boulevard.
So
Yes.
today I will explain to you the pouvoir conjugation, because obviously this is my full verb. This is my infinitive. So we have a breaking as well. Yeah. How we
Okay.
can break with I can, you can, he can, she can, we can, you can, and they can. So now speak after me. I can. So my pouvoir is converted into je peux. Speak up, je peux.
Therefore.
Japa is to I can. So my pouvoir. I can write over here pouvoir 1 second. So we are doing pouvoir conjugation and pouvoir is to can. Okay. So pouvoir is to can. So if I break my pouvoir in I can, that is converted into EUX. See, this is very tricky because this is an irregular conjugation. This is my exception verbs. So you have to learn by heart. Okay. I can is to japa. You can in terms of informal, that is tu per. That again PEUX. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Japa is to see pouvoir will convert it into per in case of I can japa. You can is tu per. We have a same ending EUX and EUX.
Jumper,
Basically,
super.
pouvoir is my full verb. Pouvoir is to can, right? So if I want to convert I can, that pouvoir is converted into PEUX per. My you can is converted into PEUX, right?
Yes. Yes.
My he, she can my he, she can is converted into means il is my he and l is my
Female.
she. She il per. Here we have PEUT. With j, with j and q we have EUX ending, and il and l we have EUT ending. Is that clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
Now we have weekend. Now we have weekend. Weekend is basically we is nu,
Yes.
can is pouvons. Here we have ONS ending. If you remember, we already have covered ONS
Yes.
ending. Is that clear to
Yes,
you?
sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Pouvons. Yes.
So here we have you can. You can is vous, formal pouvez. We
Who?
have EZ ending over here. We
You can.
have,
Okay.
yes, you can is vous pouvez. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
And they can is, see, you know what? I understand when we are doing these verbs as in first time, obviously that looks a bit difficult, but you no need to worry for this. Because the moment you will do practice, and one day will come wherein you will say like this: je per, tu per, il per, elle per, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, il peuvent, elles peuvent. So you have to pen down 10 times, 20 times these verbs, because these verbs are very important. Is that clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
So we have PEU, VENT, il, elle peuvent. They can is, if we have a masculine il peuvent, we have a feminine elle peuvent. So speak after me. Japa is to I can. Speak up. Japa is to I can. Speak up.
Jumper is to I can.
Tupa is to
Tuber
you
is
can.
to you can. Il
Il
el per is
elpa
to
he
he
she.
she can.
Nous
New
pouvons
puvo is to
is
we
to we
can.
can. Vous
Vous
pouvez is to
pouvez is you can.
il
And
elpa
il
is to
el pub is to they
they
can.
can. This is puff. Why puff? Because my E sound is a and N and T would be silent. Pen down
Okay.
please, mademoiselle. My EU sound is a in French. EU sound is
Oh,
a in French. Speak up. EU sound is a in
oh,
French.
oh in
So
French.
speak up. Pouvoir is my full verb. Pouvoir is to can. So when I want to convert my pouvoir in I can, you can, he can, she can, we can, you can, they can. So that is je peux, tu peux, il elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, il elle peut. C'est clair, mademoiselle.
Yes,
Is it clear
sir.
to you?
Be clear. Be clear.
Right? So this is basically a verb. I want that if we can stop the pattern here
Yes.
itself, because that should not be heavy for you. right?
All right.
Yeah. So you want me to go with the new verbs or you want to stop it here itself? You
We
tell me,
can
Lan.
do that. This is fine.
We can do that.
We can continue tomorrow.
Okay, that's fine. So the rest we have a lot of verbs like want we have a verb, come we have a verb. Okay. So you know what, mademoiselle, what I'm going to do is now. So now, so mademoiselle, you have to do practice basically. Okay. So
Sure,
we
sir.
have
Okay,
we
my
have
dear.
yeah, we have a lot of things over here. Like
Okay.
we already have developed alif verb, adjective verb we have, right? So mademoiselle, basically this is a multilinguistic club, okay? And as you have taken a free membership in this club, in this language club
Yes.
basically, so you
Yes.
will get entire pattern in the YouTube channels, and I will give you a locking key. I will give you an unlock key wherein you can enter the code and the keys will be open and you will get
And
the
can you please send me you know, the notes also that you've just written? Is it possible?
definitely, yes, 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 definitely. This session has been recorded basically. Okay. So once the session will be end up, we'll share the recording in your email address. Okay. And these notes also will be delivered via email.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Right? So welcome here, and I want you to practice more and more so that you can have the benefit of this multilinguistic club. Yeah?
Sure, sure, sir. I'm
Sure?
looking forward.
Yeah,
Sure, I'm
sure.
looking forward.
Great. That's great, ma'am. That's great. So, till the time, take care. Okay. Au revoir. Okay. Chalo. All right. Take care. Bye.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.